Dump truck safety precautions. 1. Make sure the engine is running properly before lifting. 2. Stop the vehicle. Pull the handbrake. 3. With drivers, it is necessary to check whether the ground where the vehicle is located is flat. Prevent line car rollover. At the same time, open the back door and manually tick the lock. Avoid accidents. 4. Ensure that irrelevant personnel, not in the work area of the dump truck. Prevent accidents. 5. Make sure there is no high voltage line above the vehicle when starting. Barriers such as bridges. 6. After unloading, the carriage should be completely reset and can be driven. It is strictly forbidden to fall while walking. 7. Equipment malfunctions during operation. The operator must immediately park the equipment in a safe location, waiting for professional repairs after the fault is handled, and will do it again. 8. When repairing and maintaining the lubrication pouring device, the car should be parked on flat ground. Engine stopped running. Follow the wheel with your eyes. After the carriage is lifted, the carriage must be supported with safety pillars to prevent sudden falls and injuries. 9. It is strictly forbidden to operate with sick equipment